suspended in the air, I hear myself breathing, hanging by a thread. My heart is barely beating. I haven't fallen yet, but I feel it coming. Tell me, would it be too much to ask if you break it to me gently that I'm waking the next day without you beside me? And who I hold on to today, tomorrow will just be a memory. And that I will look back at all of this and wonder why I've stayed in here just to watch you disappear. So I breathe and let you go. How do I breathe and let you go? Before it's too late, I'll take a step away. I know one word won't make me go rushing back to you. So I'll just shut my eyes, forget that you were mine. How do you go from making one your home and then just letting it all go? Let me take it in before it sinks in. Far beyond my reach is the future you promised. Now what I never even had, I have every reason to miss. And I don't know where I could find the strength to let you go, when the only life I've come to know packed his bags and left me alone. You found another home. So before it's too late, I'll take a step away. I know one word won't make me go rushing back to you. And I'll just shut my eyes, forget that you were mine. How do you go from making one your home and then just letting it all go? Let me take it in before it sinks in. Before it's too late, I'll take a step away. I know one word won't make me go rushing back to you. I'll just shut my eyes, forget that you were mine. How do you go from making one your home and then just letting it all go? Let me take it in before it sinks in.
We could leave the Christmas lights up till January. And this is our place, we make the rules. And there's a dazzling haze, a mysterious way about you, dear. Have I known you 20 seconds or 20 years? close forever and ever. Take me out and take me home. You're my lover. We could let our friends crash in the living room. This is our place, we make the call. And I'm highly suspicious that everyone who sees you wants you. I've loved you 3 summers now, honey, but I want them all. Can I go where you go? Can we always be this close forever and ever? Take me out and take me home forever and ever. You're my lover. Ladies and gentlemen, will you please stand? With every guitar string scar on my hand, I take this magnetic force of a man to be my lover. My heart's been borrowed and yours has been blue. All's well that ends well to end up with you. Swear to be over dramatic and true to my lover. And you'll say all your dirtiest jokes for me. And at every table, I'll save you a seat. Lover, can I go where you go? Can we always be this close forever and ever? Take me out and take me home forever and ever. You're my oh, you're my oh, you're my darling, you're my lover. I would be complex, I would be cool. They'd say I played the field before I found someone to commit to. And that would be okay for me to do. Every conquest I had made would make me more of a boss to you. I'd be a fearless leader, I'd be an alpha type. When everyone believes ya, what's that like? I'm so sick of running as fast as I can, wondering if I'd get there quicker if I was a man. And I'm so sick of them coming at me again, 'cause if I was a man, then I'd be the man. I'd be the man. I'd be the man. They say I hustled, put in the work. They wouldn't shake their heads and question how much of this I deserve. What I was wearing, if I was rude, could all be separated from my good ideas and power moves. And they would toast to me, let the players play. I'd be just like Leo in Saint-Tropez. I'm so sick of running as fast as I can, wondering if I'd get there quicker if I was a man. And I'm so sick of them coming at me again, 'cause if I was a man, then I'd be the man. I'd be the man. I'd be the man. What's it like to brag about raking in dollars and getting bitches and models? And it's all good if you're bad, and it's okay if you're mad. If I was out flashing my dollars, I'd be a bitch, not a baller. They paint me out to be bad, so it's okay that I'm mad. I'm so sick of running as fast as I can, Wondering if I'd get there quicker if I was a man. You know that I'm so sick of them coming at me again. Cause if I was a man, then I'd be the man. I'm so sick of running as fast as I can, wondering if I'd get there quicker if I was a man. And I'm so sick of them coming at me again. Cause if I was a man, then I'd be the man. I'd be the man. I'd be the man. Oh, I'd be the man. Yeah, I'd be the man. I'd be the man. If I was a man, I'd be the man.
Said it happened last night, about 10 to 11, when I first laid eyes on you. We're standing in line into Club 777. It was just like heaven and a dream come true. We're standing in the right place at the right time. When you this ooh girl caused the crime, you're my pretty little ooh girl who made me a fool in love. You got marks all in the world, and now it needs cooling. You set my heart on fire, and now I don't know what to do. You set my heart on fire, and now I'm so in love with you, my girl. Said I'm feeling it now, something I've never felt. My heart's so hot, think I'm gonna melt somehow. I wanna see you again, my love, sent from above. But yeah, and beautiful girls, oh yes, I've seen a few, but out of all the beauty in the world, there's no one quite like you. Cause you're my pretty little girl who made me a fool in love. You got marks all in the world, and now it needs cooling. You set my heart on fire, and now I don't know what to do. You set my heart on fire, and now I'm so in love with you, my girl. My the way your hair floats in the air, shining eyes reflect the skies. Smile burns up my flame, but I don't know your name, and I guess I'll call you my pretty little girl. Made me a fool in love. Got marks all in the world, and now it needs cooling. You set my heart on fire, and now I don't know what to do. You set my heart on